Hi, this is Deanna. I'm actually in the process of unboxing the LG soundbar and I've been having such a great experience. I actually want to do a quick video about it. First of all, everything came included with the LG soundbar. I didn't have to go out and grab wires or extra cords or cables or anything. Very simple, 2 complete instruction booklets. One was for the rear speaker system. And it did come with a really great little LG extra controller. But what I found out is I didn't have to sync my TV with the LG soundbar system. By pressing the volume up here, it actually changes the volume on the soundbar and on my TV at the same time. The LG soundbar has great sound. So far we have the bass set up as well as our speakers here. Even without fully setting up the system, it sounds terrific. It looks very elegant and sleek. I like the black. It fits in with my interior very nicely. And the price is very affordable. LG quality, reliability, and amazing sound that you want when you have friends over to entertain. I do recommend the LG soundbar, and I hope you can check it out as well.